What's up YouTube, it's Wave Man Mike, and today I'm about to show you how to get waves on the side. Okay, so for some reason people, well, not for some reason, but people on Instagram and then my YouTube comments, they always ask me how to get waves on the side. So I thought I should just address that in this video, so then whenever they ask again, I just send a link to this video to them. Alright, how do you get waves on the sides? Well, how do you get waves on the top? How do you get waves on the back? It's pretty similar. Like, there's really not really a difference. There's a little bit of a difference for some people, because not everybody's hair grows the same. So I'm gonna get into that right now. Alright, the number one difference between getting waves on like any other side versus the actual sides is that your hair grows different on the sides than on other places. So your hair might be growing thinner or slower on the sides than it does on the top or the back. I know for me, my hair grows real thin on the sides because I have thin hair, but yet on the top it's pretty thick. So it's like, just don't cut your sides as low as you would cut the other parts of your head, because then it starts to show and you can see like that this part is too low for how thin it is. So I recommend probably getting the sides cut to maybe a half guard higher, maybe even a guard higher, depending on how thin the sides are. But that's only if you have thin hair. You don't really need to do that if you don't have thin hair. That could be the problem, but there also could be another problem, and I'm gonna get into that right now. So the other problem that you could have when you're trying to get waves growing on the sides is that you're brushing it at the wrong angles. No matter what angle you brush your hair at, you should be able to get waves still. However, you could be slowing down your progress based on the angle that you're brushing at. Not everybody's hair has the same angles, so it's your job to find your own angles. So some people, they might brush their hair like this. Some people, they might brush their hair like this, like this, like this, like this. Like, you have to find your own angles, see which one works best for you, and that's really all you have to do with the angles. So don't cut your hair too low, because when you cut your hair too low, you won't see the waves on the sides if your sides are already growing slower than the rest of your head and you're brushing at the wrong angles. So you want to cut the sides. I mean, you could either cut the sides higher than the rest of your head, or you could just cut your whole head at a higher length. So just wait a little longer when you're wolfing, so that way when you get your hair cut down to a higher length, it still shows a difference. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. If you did enjoy it, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. You're probably going to want to follow me on Instagram. My Instagram name is WaveManMike, because I might be doing a giveaway soon. I was going to do one if I hit 12,000 by the end of this year, but that's probably not going to happen. So I'm probably just going to do one anyway. Probably give away like a brush or something, maybe a do-rag, maybe some moisturizer, maybe some grease. You never know. So follow me on Instagram, WaveManMike. Subscribe to me on YouTube. Like this video, and you're entered in that giveaway. It's not guaranteed that I'm gonna do it yet. I'm gonna do one eventually, but I don't know when I'm gonna do it, but it's gonna come eventually. So yeah, might as well secure your place now. I'm Wave Man Mike. Enjoy your day.